What would happen if military aviation engineers were tasked with building a family hatchback? The result would be a car that, back in the 90s, had Porsche and Ferrari owners nervously smoking on the sidelines. Hello. Today we're talking about a legend of the Swedish auto industry, the pinnacle of bio-design and a true icon of its era, the Saab 9000 Aero. For many, a Saab is just a quirky Swedish car for professors and architects. But the Aero version, that's a whole different story. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing, capable of transporting you with business-class comfort and the speed of a fighter jet. Let's get straight to the highlights. Under the hood is the iconic 2.3-liter turbocharged 16-valve B234R engine. In stock form, it produced 224 horsepower. You'd think, who would be impressed by that today? In the mid-90s, the British magazine Autocar conducted tests and found that in terms of responsiveness, specifically when accelerating in fifth gear from 80 to 120 kilometers per hour, the Saab 9000 Aero was faster than the Porsche 911 Carrera and the Ferrari Testarossa. The Swedes tuned the car not for stop-and-go traffic, but for safe and instant overtaking on the highway. Hit the gas, and you're already in the next time zone. But the 9000 isn't just notable for its speed. Did you know that this thoroughbred Swede actually has Italian roots? It was built on the Type 4 platform in collaboration with Fiat, Lancia, and Alfa Romeo. But while the Italians focused on style, Saab engineers turned the body into an impregnable fortress, reinforcing it by 50% for safety. And inside, you're greeted by a true cockpit. The instrument panel is angled toward the driver. The ignition switch. Wait, in the 9000 it's still on the steering column, but the spirit of aviation is everywhere. And of course the seats. The Saab Aero pilot seats are arguably the best car seats in human history. Anatomically shaped bucket seats with incredible lateral support, developed in Kalibo. The B234R engine is considered one of the most durable production engines. Its cast-iron cylinder block can easily handle tuning up to 400 or even 500 horsepower using stock components. And Saab's proprietary Trionic engine management system in 1993 was so advanced that it detected misfires by analyzing gas ionization in the cylinders. For that time, it was pure science fiction. The climate control, ACC, in the Saab 9000 Aero was so advanced that there was a solar radiation sensor on the dashboard. The computer didn't just measure the temperature inside the cabin. It calculated which side the sun was shining on the passengers through the glass and preemptively directed a cooler airflow there to compensate for the heat on the skin. Saab 9000 Aero. Unique, wildly fast, safe, and incredibly charismatic. Unfortunately, they don't make cars like this anymore, and the number of surviving Aeros is dwindling every year. If you're lucky enough to spot one on the road, know that you're looking at a true legend with the soul of an airplane. What do you think of Saabs? Would you buy a restoration project like this? Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.